Okay, so we're just about to introduce her to our Staffy. She's
in her safety
purring
rug.
and tired. Okay, let's go.
He goes. We'll see how he goes.
Follow you out. You right?
Yep.
Hey, Jarrah. I know you don't like being in there, but we got a friend for you to meet.
Who's this one, love? Who have we got?
Calm down, Jarrah. Calm down.
Okay, that's enough.
Who was that?
Look at her having a look at him.
She's not sure about him.
Look at his tail going.
Oh yeah, he really wants to see her.
Excited. Who's this one, Mum? Who is it? I got your friend, Ruth, for playing.
What do you think, Jarrah? Whoa. What do you think?
It's noisy, isn't it?
Maybe another time you can meet properly when she's a bit older. Good boy, Duke. Good boy.
Good.
Very good.
Good boy, Chica. Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
We'll meet them another time, eh? See?